Meeoiba Maselgi Marakta Soknaba Landi Loishinba Nairabasu Meeoiba Amasung Mahousha Lairembi Anigi Marakta Soknariba Laan Asi Loikhiroi Haina Directorate of Environment and Climate Change ki Director Dr. Taurang Brajakumar na Phongdorakli Wafam Asi Directorate of Environment and Climate Change na Sinduna Tha ama chupna chatharakiba World Environment Day gi Thauram Loishinba ki Thauram da mahangna Phongdokhibani Palace Compound da Leiba City Convention Center da ngasi pangthokiba Thauram aduda mahangna makata na hai World Environment Day gi Thauram asi nongmakhak pangthokpagi mahutta tha ama chupna miyamda aikhoigi phibamgi matangda punna khangminnanaba pangthokpani tha ama chupna chathaba Thauram asida tongan ba school singda symposium quiz amadi painting competition sing pangthokpada natana college singda state level poster competition na chingba pangthokhi ngasigi Thauram asida tongan ba self help group singi mioi kayana sarukyaba asi apenba poi ngasi miyamda Mahousha gi phibam kannabagi wakhalon ama leirakliba asi afaba khudamni Malem asi natana Meeoiba na hingba ngamba atopa makham amata leite aikhoigi khudong chaba kharagi damak malem asi manghannaba honarabadi Meeoiba khunai asi aikhoi isana muthatlamaga chapmanai haina phungdokhe mahangna makhata na hai plastic na akoibagi phibamda sokhalakliba sing asi akibagi masakni ngasi microplastic na nungshit amadi ishingda yausing khiduna Meeoiba da chauna akaiba pirakli masi aikhoina lakshinnaba hona haudragade achauba amangba ama oirakani Plastic haiba asi aikhoina hingbada changba potlam amadi oi toothbrush tagi hauraga ana laingi thabak singda phawba plastic ki potlam sing mathau tai plastic thingba asi wana thokadaba amani hojik lakliba asi plastic na thokhanba pollution thingsi haibani maram asina aikhoina plastic pollution thingnaba honaba mathau tai masigi wakhalon asi dagi aikhoina single use plastic thingbagi khongthang paikhatpani single use plastic sizinabagi mahutta atei atopa potlam singna sinnaba honasi plastic pollution thingbagi thabak asi lenga khaktana ngamgadaba nate miyamna hiram asigi matangda munna khangduna saruk yaraba matamdada aikhoigi Mahousha gi phibam kanba ngamgani haina mahangna makha takhe
Another pot introduced to the among the toxin directing among the lady but the users in the high report to give Maggie utilities that Maggie impact sing the good impact or positive impact, negative impact to Hana Kangwagi capacity later perhaps still Kantavagi Matamji. I invite all the entrepreneurs Kudimota, commercial sector the Pusalava Kudimusa when a sinner of the without any understanding of that Magi Potu Masak Kanging a sinner already Madigi remedies me am lapaita equida. Equidi international boundary the Levin equidi. Myanmar Thangna Levin international boundary Levin equida market ki globalizing impacts am song lakan equida. Unknown over porting lapaji Turakan equida subscription. Adugi unknown pot laks lakun Tuzalapa. Equina Madu understand the wall over Madugi education equidally hold over Taragadi. Anu pot live with sin of Madugi impact lapus no Kangu Madugi remedies me am lap the environment sopazi am saw at equida. Adugi posting up in Munakaminum Sangi, Adugi Matatasu, Lady Bangasigi, environment issues in the climate change issues in the Ohele Badugumba, Potsalam Polam Singsi, marketized out among the Hana, Dukitang, Quinum, minimize the Vinu Honaba, Maduking subside the Vinu Honaba, market of Kudum Pusalakani, market of Kudim with interest of any, Mother Popata Budana Equin, Hana, Kanwigi Potokang, Kandaminaga, Haitare, Puna walk to Minuma, Drakaliber and Kanze.
Thauram aduga mari leinana Forest Environment and Climate Change ki Principal Secretary Arun Kumar Sinha na hai handak chahi gi Ending Plastic Pollution Globally haiba World Environment Day gi theme asi haujiki matamga yamna chanaba amani theme asi wahai khak oina aikhoina khangbagi mahutta masi thabakta oina pangthoknaba honaba mathau tai aikhoina numit khudingi sizinnariba plastic singna ishing nungshit amadi chanaba potlam sing yauna atai hiram kayada sokchil haliba sing asi aikhoina Hakchinna Loba Matam Oide, Plastic na Ohelakli Bapibam Asi, Tingnaba, Aikoi Kuding Magna Punna Todang Lomina Bachangi, Masi Lenga Kaktada, Intokpana Yagada Banate, School, College, Youth Club, Self Help Group, Amadi, Tongan ba Stakeholders Sing na Punna, Kusam Naraga, Tingna Bamatautai, Hiram Asigi Matangda, Lengang na Paikat Payaba Tabak Sing, Lepta na Paikatli Haina, Mahang na Makataki.
Water pollution of Namul River has really gone down, and it will definitely improve the water quality going to Loktak. A similar project we are going to have for Imphal River also. Government has sanctioned almost 100 crore. Similar project we will be doing for Imphal River also. So government is doing its bit. It's not that we are not doing, but that's not enough, because this is something where we need help from each one of you. And if we are able to do that, and I think if everybody is put in their effort, we'll be able to get rid of this plastic pollution, and we will give a very better environment to our younger generation and the generation to come. And it's our responsibility that we give them a better environment. We don't pollute it so much that nothing is left for them.